In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a row in a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So rows are these bits down the side here, so on the left. So anything with a number next to it is a row. Columns are along the top and they've got the letters. To add in a row, so I want to add in a row between Chris and Nav. What I need to do, click on the number 7, so click on the row number. Let's go highlight the whole row, you can see it all highlighted. Then right click on that and go to insert one row above or insert one row below. If I do it above, it's going to go between Chris and Anu. If I do below, it's between Chris and Nav, which was showing below, behind that. So let's go for insert one row below, and there we have it. To show you again, right click, insert one row below, there we go. Between Blair and Lexi, I can click on Blair's row, right click, insert one row above, and there we have it. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips.